Got a quarter? Vending machines. They're great, aren't they? The machine that provides food at a cost without the social interactions of having to pay someone for it. It's really convenient. This machine is open 24 hours a day, every day, all the time. Unless, of course, the machine is empty. That's where it contradicts its open hours. But someone always comes to fill that thing back up again. Every time. What are the best-selling items of this machine in the first place, you may be thinking to yourself? The best-selling items of this machine are Cheetos. Hot Cheetos. Now, if I had the financial status to buy food from the vending machine every day, I probably would. I like the food in the vending machine for the most part. But I only have 2 cents, and I can't afford that with my unstable job of being a student. Now, I have someone here who has a very strong opinion about these vending machines, and that person is, drumroll please, Miss Lehman. So here we go.
So my opinion of this whole junk food in here is that, first of all, the cafeteria does offer some responsible choices of food. We all know that, like, eating the crap, which is all you can buy in there, unless you're buying a bottle of water, there's nothing healthy in there. It's like if somebody says, oh, I'm going to get a granola bar or this, that. Anything processed, we all know that it's made with a lot of stuff we don't need, refined sugars and probably the bad carbohydrates, but all processed foods, like nothing fresh. So my opinion is it's really just a big money maker for whoever owns those machines, whether it's the university or whoever. But every day I see kids lined up at that machine, like just punching it in their money to buy the junk. It's not good. It's not healthy. It's not good. The only one little positive I could say out of it is that at least they're not giant bags of stuff, so the portion sizes are a little bit smaller. But other than that, and I get having a treat once in a while, like I'm cool with that, but it's just the people that do it every single day, like that's their whole lunch. They get a bag of Doritos and a pop.
Do you have like any I guess a message then, like a last final message for everybody, I guess?
For everybody, don't eat the junk.
Essentially, what we can all take from this is that the vending machines, they're not great every day. So, don't eat from them every day. Yeah, okay, bye now. Beep 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 beep.